In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone in Outlook, whether you've accidentally blocked a sender or just want to give someone another chance to reach your inbox. Unblocking them is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together to ensure you can smoothly manage your email contacts and keep the conversation flowing. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Outlook account. That's obviously the first step to manage your email settings. Once you're in, navigate to the upper right-hand corner. There you'll notice a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Click on that gear icon to open up the settings panel. This is where you can access all sorts of configurations for your email account. With the settings menu open, direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll see a list of different categories. What we're interested in today is the junk email option, so go ahead and click on that. Clicking junk email will take you to a screen where you can fine-tune how Outlook handles potential spam and blocked contacts. Once you're looking at the junk email settings, you'll notice several sections related to managing unwanted messages. In this area, your focus should be on the section labeled Blocked Senders and Domains. Click on that specific link to move forward. Now, you should see a list of any email addresses and domains you might have previously blocked. Each entry here specifies a sender whose emails are currently being automatically moved to your junk folder. If you're trying to unblock someone, this is the list you'll need to modify. To unblock a specific sender, simply locate their email address or domain on this list. Once you find it, you'll notice a small trash icon next to each entry. Clicking this trash icon will remove the sender from your blocked list. Make sure you click the trash icon for every individual address or domain you wish to unblock, as each click only removes one entry at a time. It's as simple as that. Once you've removed the necessary entries, those previously blocked senders should now be able to contact you, with their emails appearing in your inbox, rather than being redirected to the junk folder. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to unblock someone in Outlook. It's always good practice to occasionally review your blocked senders and domains, just in case you need to make any adjustments. By managing this list, you can personalize your email experience, ensuring that you receive communications from those you care about, while minimizing the clutter of unwanted messages. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your technology.